me, Amishi, back again here at Non-Academic. So hopefully by now you watched my previous video where I talked about what's the criteria for your unique thought. So I thought I was going to talk more about it, elaborate a little bit more on it. So now that you know what the unique thought is, you need to identify a problem and come up with a solution to that problem, and that's your unique thought. But instead, if your time permits and if you really want to enjoy our thought diary, then try and come up with multiple solutions. Because let's be real here, in real life, whenever there's a problem, there's just not one direct solution. There's multiple solutions because there's different people with different mindsets and different ways of doing their day-to-day activities. So let me give you an example. Climate change, greenhouse gases, carbon emissions, whatever you want to call it. This is the identified problem. And let's see all of the solutions that are floating in. Some people are for carbon tax. The more carbon you use, the more money you pay. Done. Some people are saying use renewable energy and stop the fossil fuels. Use solar panels, use wind turbines, use hydroelectricity, use electric cars like Tesla. Some people are saying let's plant more trees, and many companies have actually taken the pledge to plant more trees, like IKEA, for those who don't know. And then there's some people who are like, oh, stop all of this. Why do we need to do all of this? Just invest in Climeworks, a company located in Iceland that basically uses direct air capture. So guess what they do? They actually suck in the carbon dioxide from the air and with vacuum-like machines, and they store it underground. Pretty cool, isn't it? And now some people are saying let's preserve the oceans, let's preserve wildlife, because that's where most of the oxygen or carbon dioxide goes, or the oxygen comes from. Now, hopefully by now you got an idea on how to come up with many different solutions for your one problem. Now, this is because you never know which solution is going to be more promising than the other before you try it. So hopefully in your next unique thought, instead of just seeing one solution to a single problem, let's see multiple solutions to a single problem. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!